there. Today let's dive into how private equity is reshaping healthcare mergers and acquisitions in 2024. Now, I know private equity can sound like a dry topic, but trust me, it's crucial to understand the shifts happening in our industry. So, what's the big deal? First off, private equity firms are pouring unprecedented amounts of capital into healthcare. In 2024 alone, we've seen over $150 billion in private equity deals. That's a staggering figure. And it's not just hospitals and big health systems. These firms are targeting everything from outpatient clinics and specialty practices to telehealth startups. Why the focus on healthcare? Simple. Healthcare is a stable and growing industry with an aging population and increasing demand for healthcare services. Private equity firms see a golden opportunity for high returns. They're betting big that they can streamline operations, cut costs, and improve profitability. But it's not all rosy. There's a growing concern about the impact on patient care. Critics argue that the push for profits might compromise service quality. For instance, there's anecdotal evidence of staff layoffs and increased patient loads, which could affect care standards. Let's talk strategy. Private equity firms often use a model called buy and build. They acquire a platform company, usually a well-established healthcare provider, and then bolt on smaller practices or services to create a more comprehensive offering. This strategy aims to create synergies and drive growth through economies of scale. So what does this mean for you? If you're in healthcare management, staying informed about these trends is vital. It could mean new opportunities for partnerships, or if you're on the acquisition end, a potential buyout. Understanding the landscape helps you navigate these waters more effectively. In conclusion, private equity is undeniably transforming healthcare M&A in 2024. While the influx of capital can drive innovation and growth, it's essential to balance financial goals with patient care. As healthcare professionals, staying ahead of these changes is key to thriving in this evolving landscape. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.